Welcome, I'm Joanne, and I'm here to show you how to use the shortcut key for selecting an entire row in Excel. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of this useful feature. So let's get started. Using keyboard shortcuts is the first step for completing many tasks. For instance, if you want to delete a row, you need to first select the entire row. Once you do that, you can then move on to the other tasks. So, while keyboard shortcuts themselves don't do much, they are important for getting started with more complex actions. You can find a link in the description below for the shortcut key to delete rows in Excel. Before you can use the shortcut key to select an entire row in a data table, make sure the active cell is in the row where you intend to add a row. You can select the active row by clicking into the row with the mouse or use the arrow keys on the keyboard. Now, you can press the shortcut key Shift plus space is the keyboard shortcut to select an entire row. That is all that is required to complete the task. Need to select more than a single row? Well, that's easy. To select multiple rows, press and hold the Shift key, and then press the UP or down arrow keys multiple times. There you have it, multiple rows have been selected. Working within an Excel table? Well, yes, you can use shortcuts to quickly select an entire column within an Excel table. If you would like to add a row with a shortcut, we have a video for that. You will find it in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.